government. The petitioners are Dr. Kizza Besigye and Obed Rutare. Yesterday, actually in the course of last week, we took the petition to Zira, and of course we have been pursuing the same for some time. But yesterday they signed the affidavit, and then the same was commissioned by Justice of Peace, and today we have filed the petition. A number of grounds have been highlighted in this petition. One, the overthrow of the constitution by Parliament and Museveni's government to reenact a bill or an act of Parliament which had been nullified by the Supreme Court. It's of course unconstitutional to reenact a law in almost the same terms as the one which was nullified by the Constitutional Court. Almost all the provisions that had been nullified by the Constitutional Court were reenacted, reincarnated by the Constitutional Court, rather by Parliament, and subsequently assented to by General Kaguta Museveni. When you look at the old text of the law, which was nullified by the Supreme Court, as against the new one, materially they are the same, both in spirit and the letter, and it offends Article 92 of the Constitution and other provisions of the Constitution. So that is one ground. The other one is the way Parliament stampeded the members to pass this bill, pass the law rather. The whole of Parliament was stampeded. They purported to suspend the rules of procedure. There was no room for debate. Even the committee did the shoulder work, because when it was first presented before Parliament for the first reading by the Honorable both, and it was committed to the committee, took about two to 3 days purported to process the same, and they never invited public opinion on the same, including political parties and the aggrieved individuals, because the people who ought to have appeared before that committee were key, a number of them were not summoned. Key people who were meant to appear before the committee were not given the opportunity, including Dr. Kizza